going to pluck our rose. Let's just take a look at my cactus. I will have to use some of it very soon. It is looking so fresh and just so big. And I got about 3 pots of them around, but this one is just blowing up. Our number one ingredient we will be using in our mixture to detox our scalp and also to unclog our hair follicles is our fresh rose. I got fresh rose planted all around my house because I know the benefit it is for our skin, our scalp, and also for our hair. If you have access to making your own rose water at home, I would highly recommend that. If not, you can pick up rose water from in every grocery stores. It's really affordable. Or you can just buy your fresh rose from your grocery store and you can just make it up yourself. Being that I have access to rose around my house, so it just makes things easier for me and I get to save some money. So rose water has a mild estrogen that helps to reduce oiliness on our scalp. Our scalp produces its natural sebum, which if our scalp is overproducing it, that also clog our hair follicles. Rose also help with scalp dandruff. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which is beneficial for scalp if you are having scalp issues like psoriasis and eczema. When it reaches the boiling temperature, you will notice a change in your rose petal. That means it's time for you to just turn your stove off and just leave it, let it just steep for at least 30 minutes. But I want this to really steep longer, so I'm going to leave it for an hour, and then after I will come back for us to screen it and get our homemade natural rose water for our scalp and our hair. Rose water had cooled down and this is how the color is looking. I'm just going to screen it. To that, I will be going in with our organic witch hazer. Now, why I'm using this because it removes impurities and help minimize our pores. I love using this on my skin. I love the way it just removes all the dead skin from on my face. So using this on my scalp is also great of unblocking and unblocking my hair follicles. I'm going in with only 1 tablespoon of that. This witch hazel is also enriched with vitamin E and organic aloe vera to moisturize and smooth our skin. It is also organic, which is very important. It balances our skin pH and also remove impurities for healthy looking skin. So this is a very great treatment. For you guys to know how much I love this treatment, not sponsored by the way. I'm almost out of it. I have little left, so I need to go and order more. The ingredient we will be going in with is our organic apple cider vinegar. This is something which is also very popular on YouTube for scalp health, but because of the smell of this, I'm going to be going in with litter. Now, if your scalp is broken or if you scratch your scalp, I would recommend that you don't use this treatment. Try to use this treatment on a scalp that is healthy, or else it's gonna burn you a bit. I would recommend that you wash your hair the day before and then just give your scalp a break. Let it rest a bit before applying this to your scalp for you to detox your scalp and unlock your follicles. After mixing it, I'm just going to transfer it into our spray bottle for easy application. I already did my entire hair routine yesterday. I already shampoo, pre-poo my hair, deep condition my hair last night, and then being that I want to do this treatment today, so I just left my scalp free so that if there's any little scratch on it, it can heal the next day. So my hair is completely dry. I'm now going to use our treatment on it and also on my scalp. While doing that, I'm just going to play some music because my kids are here and want to talk to me. So just watch exactly how I'm applying it to my hair and how I'm moisturizing my hair. Now to moisturize my hair, this treatment first, I'm going to apply it on my scalp and massage it in. This is something that you can leave on. You don't have to
wash it out, and then after that I will go in with my S Secrets leave-in conditioner. This is my #1 leave-in conditioner. And then for extra scalp benefit, I'm gonna go in with my 3 growth oils that I mix and I put in here. This oil consists of my S Secrets growth oil, my caffeine oil, and my carrot oil. I got that in here. So these are the only treatment I will be using. Mainly focusing this on our scalp to get rid of all of those dead skin cells and just to unblock our hair follicles.
Instead of me playing music, I just wanted to cover some important things concerning our scalp. Our scalp is very important when it comes to having healthy hair, longer hair, thicker hair, stronger hair. Our hair grows from our scalp, and if your scalp is not healthy, you are not going to be able to grow healthy hair. Just imagine your scalp as your skin. We have to take shower daily. For those of you who have your skin routine, you have to clean your skin daily. You have to detox your skin daily. You have to clean your pores daily. All of those things are very important, or else you're going to start having blocked pores and you're going to start having pimples, and a lot of bad things going to happen to your skin. So just think the same way with our scalp. If you are not taking good care of your scalp, if you're not cleaning your scalp, it leads to a lot of problems on our scalp, like scalp porosis, eczema, which is going to block our hair follicles and even damages our hair follicles. And those type of things can lead to permanent damage of our hair. I know at times many people just concentrate on growing long and beautiful hair, and I don't hate you for that because I also concentrate on that. But our scalp gets a lot of buildup from products that we use. Our hair also gets a lot of buildup. So for you to be able to grow longer and stronger hair, you have to detox your hair, your scalp monthly. Even if you want to do it twice a week, that's also great. Many people always complain that my hair is not growing because you are only focusing on your hair and not your scalp. So I hope with this video you'll be able to start spending more time on your scalp. Make sure that you are detoxing it. I have other detox video, other things you can use on my channel to detox your hair. I also have my organic neem oil that you can use to detox your hair, and you can also use bentonite clay to detox your hair. Try and adding this into your routine, and I promise you will see a big difference in your hair. So after detoxing my scalp and moisturizing my hair, I just throw it into my regular balm. So if you love this video, please do not forget to give it a like, subscribe, join the family, and let me help you to grow your hair long and healthy. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.